Hi there. I am Natalie Rose Martin, founder of Arbor Vitae Mystery School, and that became possible when I established a private express trust. Let me explain. I knew something was coming. Something bigger than me was to come through me, and I did not know what it was, but I did know that it needed a foundation, a structure, and a container. And I knew that container needed to be a private express trust. Who knew doing paperwork could initiate a medicine journey? But indeed, that is what happened for me. The process of establishing a private express trust awakened blueprints and activations in my system that I now can share with you about how to live in alignment with the energetic of the tree of life. This is a multidimensional connection with the earth and with God, Source Creator, deeply rooted and grounded with the practicalities of 3D life on earth and intimately connected with the multidimensional mystical reality of God, Source, Creator coming into creation. Leaning into this energetic blueprint has increased my capacity to trust in the unfolding of life in exponential ways. The more trust we have access to, the less fear is in our systems, the more access we have to love. And this is the spiritual dimension of a private express trust. Establishing a trust requires that we choose beneficiaries other than ourselves. We must align on paper with being of service to others. This is the foundation of the contract of a private express trust. This is the spiritual dimension of trust. The contract of a private express trust is formed in the ecclesiastical jurisdiction. This is the realm of God's law. This is the process of a living man or woman choosing to step into the role of trustee, to be trustworthy, to walk in connection with God, Source Creator in co creation. This is the spiritual dimension of trust. Establishing a private express trust is an agreement to steward energy and resources well. This is a major step on the path of spiritual adulthood. Establishing a private express trust offers unparalleled opportunities for radical self responsibility and the responsibility to care for those around us, and the responsibility to care for the earth herself, which is what sustains us. This is the spiritual dimension of a private express trust. I invite you to try it for yourself. Arbor Vitae Mystery School offers Establishing Trust, a concise and practical step-by-step course that guides you through the process of creating your own private express trust. You can find a link to the course in the description below. Or you could just start with the Outer Sovereignty Starter Kit, a free PDF that's packed with information about how to create sovereignty and freedom for yourself, your business, and your family starting right now. Whether or not you choose to establish a private express trust for yourself, if you're interested in the spiritual dimensions of trust, Arbor Vitae Mystery School offers a membership where we dive deeply into the embodied esoteric mysticism of living in connection with the tree of life and all of the gifts that it offers. Check the description for more info, and I hope to see you inside.